Ang programang ito ay rated LPG. Labis na patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring makapaminsala pag napabayaan habang nagluluto ng sinigang, adobo, batchoy, okoy, ginataan. Ilayo sa mga bata na hindi mapaglaruan.
Nasabi ko na ba sa'yo, ikaw ang siyang pangarap ko. Para sa'kin ika'y bituing nagniningning, walang hambing rikit. Sa akin ay walang iba, ikaw lang ang sinisinta. Kahit kailan, kahit saan, handang ipagtanggol at alagaan ka. Minamahal kita, prinsesa, pinakatangi-tangi ka. Sa'yo ang puso ko, buhay ko, tapat at ingatan ka. Maghintay kailanman, pangako kong ito'y walang hanggan. Inibig ka, aking prinsesa. Ako ay para sa iyo, ibibigay sa iyong mundo. Handa.
If this life is one act, why do we lay all these traps? We put them right in our path when we just wanna be free. I will not waste my days making up all kinds of ways to worry about all the things that will not happen to me. So I just let go of what I know I don't know, and I know I only do this by living in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind, with peace in my heart, with peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. Living in the moment, I'm letting myself off the hook for things I've done. I let my past go past, and now I'm having more fun. I'm letting go of the thoughts that do not make me strong, and I believe this way can feel the same for everyone. And if I fall asleep, I know you'll be the one who'll always remind me to live in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind, with peace in my heart, peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. I can walk through life facing backwards. I have tried more than once to just make sure, and I was denied the future I'd been searching for. I spun around and hurt no more by living in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind, with peace in my heart, with peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. I'm living in the moment, I'm living my life, just taking it easy.
good thing is found. If she is bad, he can't see it. She can do no wrong. Turn his back on his best friend, he puts her down. When a man loves a woman, spend his very life and die trying to hold on to what he